Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing thousands of dollars rolling into your account every single day. No meetings, no employees, no shipping products, just passive income from videos you uploaded weeks or even months ago. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But for some YouTubers, this is real life. There are channels making $100,000 a month or more, and the crazy part, they don't even show their faces. No filming, no expensive camera gear, no personal branding, just simple, faceless videos that rack up millions of views and generate insane revenue. When I first heard about this, I had the same reaction you probably do right now. That sounds way too good to be true. But then I started digging deeper. I found a specific YouTube channel one that had cracked the code. This channel was growing fast, pulling in insane views, and most importantly, making a ton of money every single month. I wanted to know exactly how they were doing it. So, I did something that most people wouldn't dare to do. I copied them. Not in a way that breaks any rules, no plagiarism, no stealing. Instead, I reverse engineered their entire system. I studied everything, the niche they chose, the types of videos they made, the way they structured their content, the thumbnails, the titles, the way they got people to click and watch. I analyzed their monetization methods, figured out their income streams, and then I built my own version of their channel from scratch. And guess what? It actually worked. In just a few months, I went from 0 views, 0 subscribers, and $0 to a fully monetized channel making real money. It wasn't easy. There were challenges along the way. Some videos flopped. Some strategies didn't work as expected, but I learned exactly what separates the channels that succeed from the ones that never take off. And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. I'll show you the exact niche I picked, the content strategy I used, how I created videos without ever showing my face, and most importantly, how much money I actually made. Because here's the truth, the YouTube game is not about luck. It's not about being a celebrity or having millions of followers on other platforms. It's about understanding what works, replicating proven strategies, and executing them consistently. So, if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but didn't know where to begin, or if you've tried and failed in the past, stick around, because I'm about to pull back the curtain and reveal everything I learned from the mistakes I made to the exact steps I followed so that you can do it too. Let's get started. Top of form, bottom of form, the discovery. It all started when I came across a YouTube channel that was absolutely crushing it. We're talking about a faceless, automated channel making over $100,000 a month. The crazy part, it wasn't even a unique idea, it was just smart execution. The videos were simple, high-quality narration, engaging visuals, and well-researched topics that grabbed attention. They were optimized for search and recommendation algorithms, with clickable thumbnails and titles designed for maximum curiosity. I spent hours analyzing their strategy, what kind of content they posted, how frequently they uploaded, what their most viral videos had in common. And after diving into their monetization, I realized they weren't just making money from YouTube ads. They had multiple income streams, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even their own digital products. At that moment, I knew I had to try this for myself. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. The first and most important step was picking the right niche. This is where most people get it wrong. They either choose something too broad with too much competition or something too specific that doesn't get enough views. The channel I was copying was in the finance and business space. Think how to make money online, investing strategies, side hustle ideas. This niche works well because it attracts high CPM ads, meaning more money per 1,000 views. But I didn't want to be an exact copy. Instead, I refined the niche and focused on a subcategory that still had high demand but wasn't as saturated. I decided on a mix of finance and tech, covering topics like AI business ideas, passive income strategies, and software tools that help people make money online. Why? Because AI is trending. People are always looking for new ways to make money, and tech-based content tends to have high engagement. Now that I had the niche, it was time to build the channel. Step 2. Creating the channel and branding. Branding is everything. Even faceless YouTube channels need a professional look. I came up with a catchy name that hinted at the content's value. Then, I designed a logo and banner that made the channel look legit. Next, I studied the thumbnails of the successful channel I was modeling. They all had bold text, a clear subject, and a high-contrast color scheme that stood out in search results. I made sure my thumbnails followed the same pattern, no clutter. Just simple, but eye-catching designs. And finally, I planned out my first 10 video ideas. Step 3. Content creation. Here's where things got interesting. Instead of filming myself, I used AI-generated voiceovers. This saved me time and allowed me to scale production. I wrote scripts using the same formula that the successful channel used. A strong hook to grab attention within the first 5 seconds, a storytelling approach to keep viewers engaged. Practical takeaways so people felt like they learned something valuable, a call to action to boost engagement and retention. For visuals, I used a combination of stock footage, motion graphics, and AI-generated images. The goal was to make every second visually appealing so viewers wouldn't click away. And for editing, I kept it fast-paced, no long pauses, no fluff, just straight value. Descriptions. I included keywords naturally, linked relevant resources, and added timestamps, tags and hashtags. I researched what similar videos used and applied the same strategy. Thumbnails. I tested different designs to see which ones had the highest click-through rate. And then, I posted my first batch of videos. The results at first, nothing happened. The views trickled in slowly, but I knew consistency was key. So I kept uploading. After about 3 weeks, one video started gaining traction. The YouTube algorithm picked it up, and suddenly, I went from a few hundred views to tens of thousands. That's when I realized the power of momentum. Once YouTube starts recommending your content, everything snowballs. More views equals more watch time equals more recommendations equals more subscribers. Within 2 months, the channel was monetized. Within 4 months, I was earning a few $1,000s a month, and by the 6-month mark, I had videos consistently pulling in passive income. How much did I make? Here's a breakdown of the income streams. YouTube ad revenue, around $7,000 a month. Affiliate marketing, $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Sponsorships, $2,000 to $4,000 month. Digital product sales, $1,500 to $3,000 month. Total, over $15,000 a month. Not quite the $100,000 of the channel I copied, but still life-changing. The biggest lessons. This experiment taught me a lot. Here are the biggest takeaways. Success isn't about originality, it's about execution. The biggest YouTubers don't reinvent the wheel. They just make better versions of what already works. Consistency is everything. Even the best content won't take off if you post once and give up. AI tools are a game changer. From voiceovers to video editing, automation makes this easier than ever. Multiple income streams are key. Ad revenue alone isn't enough, you need affiliates, sponsors, or your own products. At this point, you might be wondering, can you actually do this? Can you start a YouTube channel today, follow the same strategies, and realistically make money from it? The answer is yes, but there's a catch. It takes effort, it takes patience, and most importantly, it takes consistency. Most people don't fail because YouTube is too competitive or because the algorithm is against them. They fail because they give up too soon. They post a few videos, get discouraged when they don't go viral, and quit before they ever see real momentum. I know this because I almost did the same thing. When I first started this experiment, I had doubts. My first few videos barely got any views. My subscriber count moved slowly. It felt like I was putting in so much effort for so little reward, but I stuck with it. I told myself I would give it at least 6 months no matter what. And after a few weeks, things started changing. One video took off, then another. Then my channel got monetized, and suddenly, I was making money from something I had built from scratch. That's when I realized the secret to YouTube success in some hidden hack. It's not about getting lucky with one viral video. It's about persistence. The people who win on YouTube are the ones who show up consistently, improve their content, and keep going even when it feels like nothing is working. And the truth is, YouTube is still one of the best opportunities out there. It doesn't matter if you're starting from zero. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to be a professional editor. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to. With AI tools, stock footage, and a solid content strategy, anyone can build a channel that makes money. The best part, unlike traditional businesses, where you have to trade time for money, a YouTube channel can generate passive income. Once a video is uploaded, it can keep making money for years. Some of the most successful YouTubers make thousands every month from videos they posted years ago. That's the power of YouTube. But here's what separates those who make it from those who don't. Action. Most people will watch this video, get inspired, and then do nothing. They'll think, that sounds cool, but I don't know if it'll work for me, and move on. And that's fine. Not everyone is meant to build a YouTube business. But if you're still watching this right now, there's a reason. You're curious. You're interested. Maybe you've been thinking about starting a channel for a while, but haven't taken that first step. So let me ask you this. What's stopping you? Is it fear? Fear of failure? Fear of putting yourself out there? Fear that your videos won't be good enough? Or is it perfectionism? The belief that you need to have everything figured out before you even start. Here's the truth. Your first videos won't be perfect. They might even be bad. And that's okay. Every successful YouTuber started somewhere. The difference is, they didn't wait for everything to be perfect, they just started. So, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Start today. Pick a niche. Plan out your first few videos. Use AI to help with scripts and voiceovers. Learn as you go. Improve with every upload, because a year from now, you'll either look back and wish you had started earlier, or you'll have a channel that's actually making money. The choice is yours. And if you want more videos on how to grow a faceless YouTube channel, build an online income, and make money with AI tools, stick around because this journey is just getting started. Top of form.